Be strong.
Welcome back to Happy Life Easy and Simple Crochet Lesson 3. In this video we will be learning how to make a single crochet and double crochet. So let's get started. To start your single crochet, just make a chain, and if you haven't watched my previous video, please go and you can watch how to make a slip knot and to make a chain. So now let's get started. So to start your single crochet, you start from your second chain. This is your first chain and this is your second. So you go like this inside, yarn over and pull through the stitch. So you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. So this is your first single crochet, and I'll repeat, yarn over, pull through the chain, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your second stitch, so you go on like that. I have taken this thick thread so that you guys can view it properly. Pull through 2. See that? So this is your first chain when you started. So you have to go inside like this and pull through 2. So this is your single crochet. You can see the stitch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So you have 10 stitches. And next we are going to see how to make a double crochet. So making a double crochet, I have made 10 stitches, 10 chains, and I'll make 2 more, 11 and 12. So this first 2 stitches we will consider as the first double crochet stitch. So you have to leave both the stitch and you just yarn over. Before inserting to the chain, you just yarn over and go to the third stitch, 1, 2, 3, and yarn over and pull through. So you have 3 loops here. So first you are going to yarn over and pull through 2, then yarn over and pull through next 2. So we'll see, yarn over, pull through 2, and again you have 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2. So you have your second double crochet. See, we'll do the next stitch. Yarn over, pull through the chain, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So this is your third stitch. So this is your double crochet. See, you can make the difference here, single crochet and double crochet. So thank you for watching my video, guys. If you have missed anything, you can always watch it again, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. And in my next video we will be learning how to make a half double crochet and triple crochet. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.